Alright. Hello everyone. Nice to see you. Bit of a different recording setup this time. Move my desk around. So yeah, a little bit different. Was over in the desk over there. Now it's here. This, by the way, that's just a chip that get taken out of the desk and I filled it in with white, because what better idea than filling a black death with white. Anyway, knife in this video, as you'll read by the title. It's the MTech. I like my MTechs. Boot Dagger, stainless steel, golden titanium coated. Now, sounds good. Sounds great. Sounds excellent. Especially coming from MTech. Thing is, some issues with this knife. Major issues, actually. Not that knife. This is a different knife. That's not meant to be here. This knife, obviously, alright, we'll start off with the presentation of the knife. Presentation is good. I actually got a camera over here. But yeah, presentation of the knife is good. It's got a nice nylon sheath. It's got the clip that they all have. MTech brand. It's got a little clip in the back. Clip it onto your boot because it's a boot dagger. So got a boot clip. Hang on, I'm gonna turn my light on. It's kind of dark. That's better. You can see my mic arm. Excellent. That's right here. Shadow of the mic arm. But yeah, it's got the clip on it, and you can see it a bit better in the light because it's boot dagger. MTech brand, right around here. Now the knife itself, however. So firstly, hang on, where's my MTech's at? So like most of them are fair enough, yeah. Kind of hard plastic grip. A few of my knives are rubber. A few of my shitties are rubber too. But this one, it's a plastic one, noticeably plastic one. It's got golden rims here. I guess you could put, I don't know, you could like put a rope in it or something, or like string to keep it on you. The knife itself, it's very nice and shiny and sharp. Well, no, it's not. That's actually the point. The sheath can sit over there for now. The knife, at first, I got it today. It's very, like, to look at. I mean, all my knives are really just to look at. It's actually kind of too bright now for the knife. But all my knives are really just to look at, in all honesty. I don't really do anything with them. However, I would choose to have a sharp knife over a blunt knife. And this one is not a sharp knife. Didn't realise that till earlier, which is actually why I'm making this video. This MTech knife is not, no one mentions it in the description. I got it from DNA Leisure also, by the way. It's not mentioned in the description that it's dull, that it's not a live knife. It's not mentioned anywhere that I've seen. Having said that, I haven't really looked anywhere else. So maybe it is mentioned in other sites or whatever. It's not mentioned in DNA Leisure. Oh, it's really bright now. Its handle, I don't know, I'll put it up to the mic. Listen to this. That's me just shaking, that's just me shaking it like that. Now I can get any one of my knives and shake them. They don't clack. They don't clink and clank like that. That's not what they do. It's a knife. It's meant to be secure and sturdy. It's in for some rough business if it's actually getting used. Now, for a knife to be used, the prerequisite, or one of the prerequisites anyway, is that it's sharp. This knife is not sharp. Well, I mean, the tip's sharp obviously because it's like pointed to a tip. But I can do that without any issue. It's kind of a prick, but I did that with my Lyle knife here. This one from the last video. It would slice me. It would cut me open. It would draw blood from my finger. This one does not do that because it's dull. Which was actually one of my main disappointments in this knife when I found out. If it said it was dull, that was this knife and another knife I was looking at. I went for this one because I like gold. If it mentioned that it wasn't sharp, I would have gone for the other one. I wouldn't have bothered my money on this one. Because this is now the third knife I've got that's blunt. The other two are really literally just for, actually they all are just for show. One of them's a historic replica, and one of them's actually they both are historic replicas. One from the 40s, one from the, I don't know, like 1300s, something like that. But this one, being an MTech, really thought this knife's gonna be awesome. Pulled it out of the sheath, loved it, and then I sort of like touched the blade. I was trying to I was trying to see what was actually shaking in it, what was actually rattling in there, and I was looking like where I could put my hand on the blade to like lever it to see if anything moved. Then I put my hand on the actual blade, my thumb even, and I realised it wasn't sharp. And then I tried to cut some paper with it, and it ripped it. I didn't cut it; it ripped the paper. So very disappointed in that. Now the good things about a knife, if you still want to get it at this point, the blade length is solid. It's got solid blade length. So to look at, it's top. It's really nice to look at, obviously. Stainless steel, so it's not going to get used. So it's kind of pointless having a stainless steel blade. Hang on. Okay. It's kind of pointless having a stainless steel blade because it's not going to be getting used. So how could it ever be in a situation where it gets stained? Due to it being blunt. It's titanium coated in gold. Titanium gold coated. All around it. The blade length I think is about, it's like 6 inches. 6¼ inches. Hang on. Let's see the good old sight. Oh, 7 inches. So I was going to say 7, I just didn't think it was 7. 7-inch blade, 4¼ handle. So 1125 overall. It's a dagger. Whoops. Dagger, obviously. Double-edged, obviously, because it's a dagger. All daggers are. Now here's a description from the site. This gold titanium coated boot dagger combines form with function. It's fucking blunt. It provides none of that. And the handle is wonky, so it's not even form either. Features a 5mm thick double-edged stainless steel blade, paired with black high grip ABS handle. ABS handle. Coated lanyard hole, be this, as well as black nylon sheath. Now the sheaths, I gotta say, always top notch from MTech, and the knives until now also. Oh, it's not a keyboard over. Also top notch. Well, almost always top notch. So yeah. Other than that, what else we got? I mean that's pretty much it. I was just gonna go over that. My notes that I've got typed up here. I was kind of pissy when I typed them. So I've got a pretty lousy plastic hilt, being this. Kind of expensive for a knife where the only sturdy part is the blade. Again, in reference to this. The fact it's MTech is both a pro and a con. Now, I mean, before this knife, I was like, MTech are top. They can't do anything wrong. All their blades are superior, superlative. Now I'm like, is that going to be dull? Is that going to be blunt? Is that going to be kind of shoddily made and rattle around when you wave it? But also on the other hand, it's MTech. I like MTech. So 1 in like 7 knives have been subpar. Can't really hold it against them. Whoa, fucking A. Another thing was the nylon sheath, so can't fault them there. Nice nylon sheath. Overall, honestly, I wouldn't have bought it. That's what I'm gonna say. Don't go off phone. Okay. Honestly, I wouldn't have bought it if I'd known. I'd have bought the other one, which I'm probably gonna get also anyway at some point. Don't know when. At some point I'm gonna get it. If you're looking for a nice placeholder, or even, no, you couldn't even use it to like roleplay because the tip is sharp enough that if you did accidentally jab someone too hard with it, it would do damage, obviously. But like, it would do damage in the same way a pencil would do damage. It's sharp on the tip. That's gonna go off now. Wait. Why do I always get messages when I start recording, please? So yeah, to look at only, not sharp, all that fun stuff. Overall, a rating out of 10. Haven't done this before, but if I were to take everything, take everything into, I can't speak. Take everything into consideration. I'd say blade's nice long, golden. The sheath's good. The presentation is good. Of the blade, it's nice and sharp and shiny, as you can see there. I did wipe it though. I did wash it a little bit. The handle, the hilt, not great. ABS plastic is the usual. What the hilts are made out of, handles are made out of, whatever. But this one just it's not made up to par. Maybe it's just this knife. Maybe I'm unlucky and got the one knife out of the 100 batch that wasn't up to par. And what else? Oh, the bonus, obviously. I'd probably give it like a 6 out of 10, maybe 6.5 at a push. So yeah, don't get it. if you want an actual knife. So yeah, that's this video. If you want to see more, then hit the subscribe button. It'd be nice to get some more subs around here. Go check out my other channel. It's probably not in the description, don't think it is, but it's Comrade Kaihelm. So yeah, thanks for watching, and look out for other knife videos of actual knives that can cut things like a knife should do. Alright, bye.